Hi guys, and welcome to yet another very exciting video tutorial of Adobe Premiere Pro. And in this tutorial you will learn how to create your own presets. If you are wondering what presets are pre-ready or pre-defined effects that have been tweaked to one's own liking or something like that. They come bundled with After Effects. There are many of them. The core effects or the basic effects, they have been changed in presets to give a special look. For example, you are working on a project, and the benefit of preset is this: you are working on a project and you have applied a lot of effects on it, and you do not want to lose those effects, and you like those effects a lot and the look that they have created, and you want to apply that to maybe your future projects. So what you can do is you can save the settings of those effects, and then you can apply them later on as you see fit. Or one other thing, that maybe you are working on a special type of look and you applied a lot of effects, and but you become very tired and feeling burned out and need a break in between. So you do not have to come and apply those effects again. You can save the effects as they are and then come on later on and save them. Even you can transfer presets to other guys, and some people even make their living by selling presets that they have created. All these presets that come with After Effects, actually Premiere Pro and After Effects and other things, they have been created by the basics effects that are found inside the Premiere Pro. So you can do the same what the professional has done. So let's start doing it and create our own effects. I'm gonna apply actually a bevel effect to all of these three layers that I have selected in here. Okay, first of all I'm gonna apply it to the video clip. Bevel is actually this edge that is been smoothened and it looks good, and I'm gonna also apply the motion effect to it. I'm gonna crop its size and move it to one side actually. Okay, this side. Okay, now there are two images in here. I'm gonna also apply bevel to them too. And secondly, actually it is apart. Yes, it is apart. Okay, actually the size of the image is too big, so we're gonna scale it to frame. Okay, so now the bevel is here applied to it, and now we're gonna scale it a little bit more smaller and move it to the left side or right side it is in the computer that you're looking at. And we're gonna do the same for the third one. And once the third one is being applied, actually I wrote both of these are the same images. Yes, so I don't think so we need to apply it again to the same image. I think we have brought the same image again. I'm going to just delete them. Okay, so we have these two images, one video clip, one image, and effects of scale and motion and bevel is being applied to it. Now we need another actually a demonstrative layer so that we can apply these image to it, these effects to it after we create our preset. So to create a duplicate or a copy of these clips, what you need to do is hold down Alt on your keyboard and then click and drag out a layer, and then it will create a duplicate. You can do the same with the video layer, which is here. Okay, like that. Okay, now we have two of those layers in here, but these two also have those same effects applied to them. If we bring the player to them, they have the same cropped size. The scale has been reduced and bevel is applied. So what we need to do is we need to remove their effects. You can do that by right clicking on them and click on this remove attributes option. That will remove its effects. But you have to specify which video or which attributes you want to remove. It is itself selected the bevel edge effect, but you have to also remove the effect of motion, which is the scale effect actually. Okay, click OK now. Okay, now those effects have been removed and they have been restored to their original size, like so. Okay, So now let's go back to our effects. Okay, in here we need to click on the motion, the effect that we want to copy. You can copy, by the way, any effect you want, and we also want to copy the bevel. Okay, control click on both of them, so you can select them both at the same time, and then right click on them and click on save preset option, and you can give it any name you want. Like, I'm gonna call my preset my own effects, and I think that is now to her name. Okay, now once you have given it appropriate name, these things you should not worry about that much, anchor point and anchor out point. Yeah, it's beyond the scope of this tutorial to talk about these things. Okay, you can write, of course, the description also. We can tell it that it contains bevel and motion effects. It will tell the other people, if someone else is using your preset, that what this preset is all about. Okay, now click OK, and now that preset has been created, here it is, and its name is written, my own effects. And now you can apply this to these layers down here. Okay, first of all I will apply it to the image layer, and its bevel and its size or scale has been reduced. Now let's apply it to the video clip, and as you can see, its size and scale is also been reduced. Of course, its motion or position was not set by us. Okay, like that, so that you can see it properly. So that's it, guys. In this tutorial I showed you how to create your own preset. If you like your effect settings or effect applying ability so much that you can create it and apply it later on in your other projects, or you can transfer them to someone else that is also a part of your team and working on the same project but could not create effect due to some reason. So you can create the effect that you want and send them to them, and they can apply it to their project also. And how to remove also effects from your layers and video clips. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope to see you in the next tutorial. Till then, I would like to say goodbye for now.